present. But our mind is in the past, not knowing what we lose. Don't know what will last. Yeah, the things you always dare to dream. Oh.
Hey you guys, so I'm here with another review for a company called Eayonwigs. I will have all of their information down below in the description box. And if you're wondering about the wig that's on my head, I'll leave that one down below as well, so you can just check out that video. So this is from Eayonwigs. It came with a couple of goodies, some wig caps, and it also came with an elastic band. Of course, you guys know I'm a sucker for packaging, so I love the fact that their logo is all over the tissue paper. It's on the box itself, and it does have all of the information to my wig. And I'm laughing because I literally am opening another curly wig as I just reviewed the one that I'm wearing on my head. But this one is different, you guys. This one is actually a water wave. This is a 360 lace frontal, and it's about 22 inches long, and it is the color number 1. So you see I'm loving that stretch panel cap, yes. Now it does have 3 combs in the front, 1 in the back, along with adjustable straps.
Start cherishing what you hold dear, and we will make it last. Not often we can.
Okay you guys, so this is going to be a real short and sweet video because I didn't really have to do much to this wig. I did not adhere it to my head. All you guys see me doing is spraying it down with some water. I was going for that nice wet look. You know that wet look when you just getting out the pool and your curls is popping. This is a perfect summer wig, in case you guys are wondering. I absolutely love it. The only thing I have to say about this is I did receive shedding as I was fingering through the hair, and you know, it wasn't a lot of shedding, but still nonetheless shedding. Just had to let you guys know that. It wasn't tangling or anything like that. I was able to run my fingers all through it with no problems. And again, this is only water. I didn't add any type of product to the hair whatsoever. Alright you guys, so now that I have my part where I want it, I'm just going in the parting space with my powder foundation, and I'm also using my little slick stick that I got from the beauty supply store just to flatten it out a little more. And then of course I went in with my Irresistible Me curling wand just to, you know, make it look a little more realistic. I didn't want it so straight from the roots. I just wanted it curly throughout. So as far as the baby hairs, I didn't cut them, I didn't pluck them, I didn't do anything like that. What you guys are seeing is exactly what I did, and that's just adding some Got2b gel and just swooping them over. That's it. So that's why I said earlier that this wig is just super simple. You just throw it on and go. Again, I don't have it adhered to my head or anything like that. It's just on. I'm just using the comb in the back along with the adjustable straps. And of course, you guys, if you're interested in this unit, all of the information will be down below in the description box, so please be sure to check there. And if you like this video, don't forget to hit thumbs up, subscribe if you're not subscribed, and please turn on your notifications so you guys can be updated on my videos. And on that note, I will talk to you all later. Bye. Thanks for watching.